actress Yvonne Nelson sisi so sister no ni bottom ayedu ni bottom ayedu papa pay ya meaning baby sister you pa meaning baby otia na kenen kamente ha me show base bas kasi semi nam kwando amoro konifie na wakwa koje 500,000 Ghana cedis yibi. What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was me. Yvonne Nelson wins 500,000 defamation case against Mona Gucci sister na ose oya lawyer na no so no honsam bebrebe onso kofa be also oya lawyer but onya lawyer but today and now today no honsam bebre ni na da mo sister no ehu ni for you screen do ona na make na this now let's move straight into the story. Now, an Accra High Court has awarded Yvonne Nelson 500,000 Ghana cedis in a defamation case against Mona Gucci for malicious statements she made about the award-winning actress on Accra-based NEET FM. Mona, who is a socialite and a presenter, was not in court when the judgment was passed. The court, presided over by Justice George Eugene Yandu, ordered Mona to pay 500,000 Ghana cedis to Yvonne Nelson and also apologize for her defamatory publication about the celebrated actress. Also, she has been restrained from making any more defamatory comments about the Princess Tyra actress. Now, in May 2020, Mona, in an interview with NEET FM, a subsidiary of the Despite Media Group, named an extensive list of Ghanaian female media and social personalities and alluded to them the amorphous title Slay Queen. The Slay Queen term, according to her, can be equated to a woman of loose morals who, under the cover of legitimacy, engages in prostitution and other illicit activities for sustainers. In the said interview, Mona boldly mentioned Yvonne Nelson's name among her list of people she referred to as slay queens. And this is what she said on that day, and I quote, "Yvonne doesn't show off, but she's a slay queen because, you know, the slay queen, it entails a lot. We have both showing off and some contact and people who we know that the things that you do and the lifestyle you exhibit, someone is paying for you behind the scenes," she alleged. Now, the statement largely presented Yvonne as someone perverted in a character who engages in immoral and illicit activities. When Yvonne's counsel wrote to her to retract the malicious statement and apologize, she refused and rather went on social media tirades spewing more disparaging comments about the actress. Now, in Samuel Kennedy, from Papa Paya Muntum na manka ewo TV do abam mofama na adi na mpemfo so wonso why share intino sisi ano asama wa ben se koko bi na asama na so any evidence onya no kwa se any evidence sister brother don't, because nowadays it seems people have been winning their defamation cases. Recently, yeah, another big one. It happened 4 years ago or so. Walk back and forth. The man we win the case. No, now this happened just last year, and in there, no, after a year and some months, no, justice has been served. What say? Oh yes, Sister Mona Gucci. This year, oh yeah, Juma Wonia. And then right after judgment, out, I decided to check out the social media pages, especially Instagram pages of these two personalities. First of all, I check Yvonne Nelson, actress Yvonne Nelson, the page. Now, so far, on posted BBA or Honum, the name Janade, anything about the judgment. And also, I checked Oya Mona Gucci, so official Instagram page. So I also me check in so now Polly ready for the show. Rabbi into so now on posti bibia. But then you have to trust me. Bibi bia bebe achibia. Bibi bia bebe achibia no. I will let you know.